My personal experience using Windows 11. First of all, I will clarify that this is not a tour. I'm just going to review the things that I liked and I didn't like in my experience. So, interface. Hold on. I know in the beginning most people didn't care about this because the system, when it came out, was crap in terms of performance and options. But hey, they have updated a lot, and it's now a worthwhile system with a good performance. So you now can have good performance without the problems of the first versions and a nice interface. Let's see it. Customization of the taskbar is pretty much the same. Mine looks like this because I use a program to tweak it a bit. But now the taskbar has some integrated things that I really like compared to Windows 10. For example, we have better audio handling directly down here. And it looks better than Ear Trumpet. The program will install it in Windows 10 to lower the volume of a single app quickly. Or this quick action panel. Now you don't need to go into the configuration to link your controller or connect your wireless headset. And you can control the Spotify and multimedia apps. I like so much these controls, I think it's useful in some situations. There is also a nicer notification panel followed by a calendar and a concentration mode. Now you can also access the task manager from here by simply right-clicking on it. Now we have a better startup, and I personally use it to organize games, apps and folders in groups and keep the desktop clean. I also find it easier to organize myself. Just look at this. The file explorer is now different. In my opinion, it's nicer and easier to use. More changes to the task manager. Now you have all the options at your left. Everything is more intuitive and you can now access the services from here. The Copilot integration is a tool that I love. You can tell it to take an image whenever you want or ask it about anything, and in the future it will also serve to control your computer. Now let's talk about what everybody is interested in: gaming. When it came time to switch from Windows 10 to Windows 11, I made sure to do some FPS testing on Horizon Zero Dawn. From Windows 10 to Windows 11, the performance was exactly the same, around 47 FPS unstable. So I decided to install an optimized version of Windows 11 without bloatware to see if I could beat Windows 10. And surprise! I gained around 10 FPS and become stable. Now it simply feels good, man. Well, I proved it in a few games and it works perfectly, even recording with OBS.
Laser communications recovered.
QB, I'm transmitting your comm program.
Pod program download complete.
The last thing I would like to comment is that Windows 11 works much better with DirectX 11. So in the video games that use it, there will be a noticeable difference in FPS. That's all.